Hi everyone! Good morning! Good morning! Welcome to Leluna Tarot. So, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta ang araw ninyo? So, today is Thursday morning. Okay, so happy holidays and advance happy new year sa inyong lahat. So, ngayong umaga meron tayong pick a card reading. So, tingnan natin kung ano ba yung feelings, thoughts of this person, okay? Na iniisip ka or iniisip mo ngayong holiday season, okay? So, titingnan natin ano ba yung nararamdaman nito, iniisip nito. Nalulungkot ba to? Titingnan natin yon for today. So, sa harapan ninyo, dating gawe na ginagawa natin, we have two piles. So, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So, concentrate lang kayo. Isipin nyo yung person, okay, na gusto nyong patungkulan sa reading natin ngayon. Okay, isipin nyo yung person ninyo, concentrate kayo dun sa person na yon para makakuha kayo ng accurate pile at makapili ng pile na mag-resonate sa inyo. So again, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So wag na natin patagalin. Bibigyan ko kayo ng seconds. Pili na kayo, guys. Pile number 1, pile number 2. Start picking your pile now. Okay. Kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, na sa tingin ninyo is yun yung pile na para sa inyo at doon sa person mo, magsisimula na tayo kay pile number 1. Okay? So, itatabi ko muna ang pile number 2. So, pile number 1, kung ito ang iyong napili, titingnan natin, ano ba yung nararamdaman nitong person na to? Yung iniisip niya right now na ngayong holiday season para sa'yo or patungkol sa'yo. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung iniisip niya. Probably, kung nalulungkot ba siya, ano ba yung reason behind that. So, we hope na makita natin sa pile number na ito kung ito ang iyong napili. So, start na tayo. So, two kinds of tarot card and oracle cards, okay? Two cards of tarot, confirmation, and the main card, okay? So, start na tayo. First, tingnan natin ang iyong energy oracle card na nakuha dito sa pile number 1. And this is woman holding a coin. Okay. So, it can be, this is a earth sign, number 42, an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Okay. A woman holding a coin. Or it could be, ikaw to, yung pumili ng pile number 1. You're a earth sign. You are busy working and building your career. Okay. O pwede siguro ngayong holiday season is iniintindi muna yung mga gastusin, okay, yung mga bills, okay, it can be. So, malalaman natin, bakit si number 42, woman holding a coin, ang lumabas sa yung energy oracle card, okay. Simulan na natin sa yung tarot card. Uy, the hangman or the hang one. So, some of you it's either no connection, no contact kayo nitong person na to. Or merong nag-ghost dito. or suddenly biglaan na lang nagkaroon ng separation between sa'yo at sa person na tong iniisip mo. Mhm. Meron akong nakikita dito na both of you or other person is hindi nawawalan ng pag-asa para dito sa connections na to. Meron akong nakitang ganon. Someone is hindi pa rin nag-give up or not losing hope, and nakikita niya na anytime is magkaka-communicate pa rin kayo nitong person na to. It's either this is the person who is thinking this. Okay. No actions, no contact, no communication, no talking. At walang gustong gumawa ng way to contact each other. Okay. So, nakapause. Nakapause yung connections mo with this person. Maybe nga, kasi nga, someone is busy working or building his finances. Okay? Meron akong nakitang ganon. And meron akong nakita na someone is financially stable while the other one maybe is not totally financially stable. Okay? So, meron akong nakikitang ganon. Yes. Kaya yung isa, inaasikaso niya muna yung finances niya while the other one is hindi naman kailangan gawin yun kasi she or he is already stable. So, titingnan pa natin. Second card is Five of Cups. Someone is sad, lonely, okay, over a spilled cup. Yung iba sa inyo, meron ako nakuha na maybe this person or you, pile number 1, is the one who is busy working right now. Ibinibisi na lang yung sarili sa trabaho, sa finances, pag-aatupag ng finances, pagbabayad ng bills. Okay. Kasi nga, para hindi mo maisip yung nangyari sa inyo nitong person na to. Someone is lonely. Okay? Or maybe someone is sad kasi wala nga movement yung connection. Okay? Walang action. Siguro matagal na to. Pwedeng matagal na to na no actions, no contacts, no communication. Okay? Meron din ako nakuha na yung iba sa inyo yung iilan sa inyo is pwedeng hindi siguro maganda ang kalagayan nung person ninyo when it comes sa emotions, okay? And nakikita ko, and career or finances. Yes, siguro itong person mo, pile number 1 is dumadaan ngayong holiday season sa mahirap na sitwasyon or lonely siya ngayon. Okay. Meron akong nakita na high priestess, okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Four of Pentacles. Uy! Meron akong nakita dito na someone is still holding on, okay, over a person, okay, or over a career or finances. Pero meron akong nakikita dito na someone is still holding on over a connection. Siguro na already nagtapos, nag-end, okay, or biglaan na lang wala na talagang communication or totally nag-cut. It can be pwedeng ng ghost, okay? O someone is ghosting this other person. It can be, Pero meron ako nakikita dito na hurt. Yes, and still holding on. Okay? To this situation. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. The Magician. Isa dito sa inyong dalawa, between maybe this person or you, pile number one, is manifesting the other person. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone maybe is a magician, a Gemini, or it can be someone is manifesting a past person or someone na magkaroon ng connections ulit. Okay? Mhm. Meron akong nakikitang ganon. Someone wants to have a reconciliation with the other person. So, meron akong nakitang ganyan. Maybe if this is your ex, pile number one, or if this person is your ex-husband or from the past, this person wants to have a connection with you again. Okay? Nagmamanifesto. Kasi this person feels na ikaw yung para sa kanya. Ikaw yung person niya. Yes, maybe this person is planning, okay? Planning this holiday season to contact you or sa mga gagawin niya by next year. Yes. Mm-hmm. So, take what's resonate, guys. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. The moon. Okay. So, maybe dahil nga no contact kayo, no action, no communication kayo nitong person, hindi ninyo alam kung ano yung ginagawa ng bawat isa. So, this is still hidden. Hindi mo alam na ganito yung nararamdaman ng person mo. Okay, maybe ikaw yung busy working on your finances, okay, or on your business, or anything na pagkakaperahan. Okay, file number one. And your past person or your ex emotion towards you is hidden pa kasi nga, hindi mo alam to. You're not aware. Okay? This is still a secret. So, ano yung secrets? Na gusto makapag-reconcile nung past person mo, nung ex mo. Or it could be, alam mo na to, maybe this person is a Scorpio. Okay, meron akong nakita. Or, meron akong nakukuha na if you know or nararamdaman mo na si past person is gustong makipag-reconcile sa'yo, maybe this past person is having fear, okay? To come forward, to approach you, to message you, to contact you. Okay? So, malalaman natin yun bakit. So, tingnan pa natin. The Tower. Oh. Maybe this reading is sa mga iilan sa inyo, pile number one na pumili nitong pile na to and hindi alam na ito ang nararamdaman ng ex mo, this is the confirmation, the revelation that your past person, it's either ex-husband, ex-boyfriend, ex-live-in partner, or past person still want to reconcile with you. Okay? This person still grieving over a spilled cup, over the breakup, over the separation of between of you, okay, nitong person na to. This person has an awakening, okay? Na-awaken tong person na to na ikaw yung person niya. And this person is nag-iisip na para ka sa kanya. Ngayon niya lang na-realize. Maybe, meron akong nakuha na scenario na um, successful ka right now and this person know kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay mo and this person is feeling entitled to have you. Kasi nga, para sa kanya is, ikaw yung para sa kanya. Meron akong nakuhang ganun na, tingnan natin. Oh, Nine of Pentacles, Earth sign. You're very abundant, okay? Financial stable, financial independent. This person looks at you with a high expectation, high regards, okay? Mataas ang tingin nitong person na to. And maybe, kaya to nadidepress, nasasad, kasi nakikita niya ngayon na kung ano yung nasayang niya, kung ano yung nawala sa kanya. Okay. This person feels entitled on you. Tingnan natin. Kaya kami na-manifest nito eh. Ten of Cups. Water sign again. Maybe a Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. And maybe the feminine here is Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. You are the happiness of this person. Yes. You are the emotional fulfillment of this person. Maybe this is your ex-husband. It can be, or a live-in partner. You have a child with this person, or maybe this person wants to have a child with you. Or po pwede nga may anak kayo nitong person na to. Kaya nga entitled tong person na to. Okay? And yung iba sa inyo nakikita ko, syempre, dahil yung iba sa inyo, if may contract pa or married kayo nitong person na to, this person is entitled on what you have. Okay? Feeling niya. Pero mahal ka nitong person na to. Yes. Kasi ikaw yung Ten of Cups. The wish fulfillment, okay? Very abundant, stable. Last tarot card. Nine of Cups. What can I say? A Nine of Pentacles, a Nine of Cups, and a Ten of Cups. Oh my God. Overflowing love. Success. Oh my God. This person, nakikita ko na nagsisisi tong person to, hindi mapakali, wants to contact you, wants to have you ASAP, as soon as possible. Because this person knows na ang tanga-tanga niya. Kasi kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo before, I don't know. Ikaw yung wish fulfillment nitong person to, kaya minamanifest ka nito. Yes, I'm really sure that this person is manifesting you to win you back, to have you. Okay? Again, on his or her life. Okay? So, meron ako nakikitang ganyan. So, tingnan pa natin. Hope. I haven't given up on us yet. Ano yung sinabi ko kanina? This person is manifesting you. This person wants to have you again, wants a reconciliation with you. Kung sino man ang pumili ng pile number 1. You are the Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, and the Ten of Cups of this person. And nagkaroon siya ng tower moment, na-realize niya sa sarili niya yon. Kung ano man yung dahilan ng paghihiwalay ninyo or separation nitong person na to, this person wants to come back. Okay? because this person feels na sa kanya ka. Okay? He or she owns you. This person haven't given up on your connection. Confusion. I feel unclear about where we stand. Oh my gosh. Sabi ko nga maybe, um, with this hangman card, the connection is stagnant, hang, no closure, biglang naghiwalay, biglang nagkaroon ng no communication. Okay. This person have a confusion kung asan na ba kayo, ano na bang lagay nung relationship ninyo. Okay? Maybe biglaan kayo nawalan ng connection nitong person na to. It can be so many reason. And this person is very, very confused. Or ba pwedeng ikaw din to, pile number 1, na confused right now. Pero malakas ang nararamdaman ko na the male here or the masculine one is the one who is confused right now. Nag-iisip po kung anong gagawin. Kung paano kaya approach. Sabotage. I messed up the good things in my life sometimes. Oh my gosh. This person knows that he or she sabotage your connection. So whatever happened from the past, bakit nagkaroon ng stagnation dito, bakit nagkaroon ng miscommunication or separation between you and this person, he knows that somehow he or she is the reason behind that. Okay, so whatever ano man yung nangyari, maybe this person is hindi nagpakalalaki, hindi, what I mean is naduwag siguro. So many reason. So ikaw pa number 1 ang nakakaalam kung ano yung reason nung separation nyo nitong person na to. Okay. So, tingnan natin sa Island Time Wellness card mo. Engagement ring. Engagement, partnership, commitment, eternity, completion, union. Okay, this person wants to marry you, wants to be your husband or wife. Okay. Wants to put a ring on you. Because this person sees you as a 9 of Pentacles, 9 of Cups, and a 10 of Cups. Okay? Maybe this person, yung iba sa inyo, baka nakita nito na may nanliligaw na sa inyo or soon, iniisip nito na po pwedeng na soon magkaroon ka ng love life na kasi nga, you are very beautiful right now. Kaya, nagmamadali na tong person na to, nag-iisip how to communicate, okay? So, meron akong nakikitang ganon. So, next, palm tree. Stability, security, permanence, growth, endurance, flexibility. Maybe, if you are financially stable right now, yes, this person knows that you are the perfect partner for him or her. Oo, kasi alam niya stable. Stable ka, secured na kayo, okay? Or maybe this person wants to secure your relationship, kaya this person wants to put a ring, okay, on you. Gusto ka nitong pakasalan na, okay? marriage? Aalokin ka nito ng kasal? Mhm. Yes. Mag-aalok to ng kasal sa inyo, pile number 1. This person wants to grow with you. Mhm. This person is manifesting you, pile number 1. I'm telling you. Okay. So, tingnan natin sa yung love messages oracle card. So, meron kang tatlo. Pile number 1. New love. A new chapter begins whether it is with a new partner or in a current relationship. Kung hindi kayo nagkaroon ng closure nitong person na to, and if you still single right now, okay, magkakaroon kayo ng new cycle nitong person na to. This person will come back, okay, will make a move, okay, will contact you, magbibigay ng effort, okay, to have you again. Because this person wants to marry you, put a ring on you, wants to grow with you, okay? Next, past lives. You have known this person before. It is a soulmate from a past time. Yes. If you still single right now, pile number 1, swerte tong person na to. Why? Kasi malaki yung chance, okay? Malaki yung chance na magkaroon kayo ng panibagong cycle with this person, union or even a marriage, okay? So meron akong nakikitang ganon. Okay? Some of you if you're still single, okay? But if you're on a relationship, in a new relationship right now, pal number 1, nasa sa inyo naman yan eh. If you want to have, rekindle your connection with this person, okay, kaso nga lang, syempre, andun yung mamimili ka kung sino yung pipiliin mo. Mhm. Kaya matibay yung connections ninyo with this person or this person is still holding on and hoping in this connection kasi may past life kayo nitong person na to, nitong past person mo. Okay, pile number 1. So, take what's resonate. So, last card, gratitude. You need to be grateful for the love already present in your life to attract more of it. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo pile number 1, nararamdaman ko na you know na iba yung connection mo with this person. Yes. And maybe, this gratitude card is for this person. This person knows kung ano yung important mo na ngayon sa buhay niya. Kaya nga nagsisisi to eh. Kaya nga nag-ready to come back, offer you an engagement, a marriage, okay. If you want to be with this person again, ito yung reading, okay. Confirmation na be grateful, okay. Be grateful if this person will reach out again, okay. Will make an effort, rekindle, okay, your connections, okay. Be thankful, okay. Kasi, ano naman lahat naman kasi may dahilan, okay? Bakit nangyayari, okay? Maybe this person is your person, it can be, okay? Sincere tong person na to kapag bumalik sa'yo pa number 1. If this person contact you again, make an effort, okay, towards you, to rekindle your connections, to have a reconciliation with you. This person is honest, okay, and true na ngayon, okay, this time. Kasi nga gusto niyang makasal kayo, okay? So, sana nag-resonate sa inyo yung pile number 1, okay? And if nag-resonate, please leave a comment. Like this video, guys. And much appreciated po, okay, yung mga comment po ninyo. Mas gusto ko po yun kasi nalaman ko kung nag-resonate yung reading. Okay. So, again, sa mga nakasubscribe, comment na lang po. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Help me to reach my first 2K subscriber before this year ends, okay? So, go na ako kay pile number 2. Hindi ko na po pahabain ng intro or yung mga end conversations pa po. Okay? So, maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung hindi nag-resonate sa'yo, po pwede kang manood ng pile number 2. Okay, so pile number 1. Bye! Sa mga pumili ng pile number 2, so this is your pile. Tingnan natin kung sino yung person na iniisip mo ngayon. Ano ba yung feelings, okay, or emotions, okay, iniisip nitong person mo this holiday season. Okay, so tingnan natin. So, hindi natin papatagalin. First tayo, simulan natin sa energy oracle card mo. Kung anong energy yung meron with this person. Okay? So, take what's resonate lang, guys. Anxiety, number 18. Someone has an anxiety over this connection. Okay. May nag-iisip. Overthinking. Bakit kaya? Bakit? Titingnan natin, pile number 2. Hindi mapakali. Uy. So, tingnan natin. Bakit si anxiety card is nandito? First card, 10 of Swords. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Maybe our feminine here is heartbroken over someone. Or it can be the masculine is in the 10 of Swords. Uy, meron ako nakikita na someone wants to call someone or the person. Titingnan natin kung bakit. Heartbreak. Uy. It can be depressed pa yung iba. May pinagsisisihan, may regrets. Tingnan natin. 5 of Pentacles, Earth sign. Over a separation. Baka pile number 2, kung hindi ikaw ang nakakaramdam nito, maybe this person is the one who is experiencing, okay, an anxiety attack right now, this holiday season. Okay, kung hindi ikaw to pile number 2. Pwedeng iniwanan mo to, or pwedeng nang iwan to, iniwanan ka. Okay? Over a separation. Oh my God, bakit kaya ganun pagka holiday season is ang lungkot-lungkot ng tao, no? Bakit kaya ganun na kapag holiday season is Alam mo yon, dito mo naaalala yung mga no closure mo. Okay. Bakit kaya ganun, no? So, titingnan pa natin. Next card mo is Six of Swords. Uy. Meron akong nararamdaman dito na someone, okay, someone is very hurt, depressed over someone na iniwan siya or umalis, okay. Someone is overthinking. Swords is a message, okay, a communication. Yes. This person wants to have, wants to maybe reconcile, it can be, or have a communication, wants to talk to you. Wants to, alam mo yon, yung parehas kayo na on the same page, parang ganon. May pagkasundo, it can be ha, it can be. Meron ako dito nakikita na someone is nasasaktan kasi siguro, hindi kayo magkaintindihan nito, naghihiwalay kayo, gusto nitong magkabalikan, it can be, or magkaroon lang kayo ng good communication, parang ganon. Good terms, parang ganon. Oh, Four of Cups. Right? Emotion. Someone here is hurt. Pwedeng meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan itong person na to, nag-away kayo ng matindi. It can be ha, pwedeng pwedeng sinusuyo mo tong person na to. Okay? Or gustong suyuin, gusto mong magkabati kayo, magkaayos kayo, yung maging on the same page kayo nitong person na to. Meron ako nakikitang ganon. But this person don't want, or pwedeng galit pa to siguro ngayon. Yes, pwedeng yung isang person is may nagawang kasalanan dun sa other person. Nasaktan niya yung person, kaya iniwanan, naghiwalay, nagkagalit, hindi nagkaunawaan. Yes. Oh my gosh. So, clarification. Tingnan natin. The Chariot. Oh my God. Pero may travel dito. Ay. Maybe the other person, kung sino man dito yung umalis, nilayasan yung isang person dahil may nagawang hindi maganda or nagtalo sila, nag-away sila, kaya umalis yung isang person. Meron akong nakikitang ganon. The other person na iniwan, gustong habulin yung umalis na person. May paglalakbay dito, gustong suyuin para magkabate. Meron ako nakikita dito. Okay? This person na iniwan, na nagkamali, na nilayasan nung sinaktan niya, is determined na suyuin yung yung other person na nilayasan siya or sinaktan niya. Gusto nitong magkabate, makipag-ayos. Oh my gosh. Guys, nakikita nyo naman sa card ha. Nakikita nyo. Five of Swords. 5-5. Oh my God. 55. There is a conflict here. Disagreement. And someone is stressed over this situation. Oh my God. Meron dito ako talaga nakikita na conflict, hindi pagkakaintindihan, mabigat na pag-aaway. May nakikita ako dito. Three of Wands. Someone here is waiting or having a decision. Maybe, for number 2, if you are the person na nilayasan mo tong person na to, umalis ka, you know, and you are waiting with this person, alam mo kasing pupuntahan ka nito, susuyuin ka nito. Or po pwedeng you are the one who will have a decision. Okay? Or maybe this person is waiting on your decision. If patatawarin mo pa ba siya? If mag-aayos pa ba kayong dalawa? Oh, it can be. Take what's resonate. Last tarot card. The Devil Capricorn card. Oh my gosh. Maybe this connection is a toxic connection. It can be, ha? It can be a toxic connection. Someone is a pathological liar. It can be. Or may ginawang hindi maganda dito sa other person. Kaya itong person is lumayas, umalis. Okay. Or it can be an obsession, obsessing, thinking over this person. Okay. Any obsess or any toxicity kasi kapag lumabas si the Devil card. Okay. Someone wants to fight, maybe someone wants to fight you or someone wants to win you at any cost. So, yun yung sinasabi. Yun yung parang ganun. Okay? Take what's resonate. Oh my gosh. So, tingnan pa natin. Gossip. I'm afraid of what other people will think. Oh my gosh. Someone is afraid kung ano yung sasabihin ng iba or judgment ng iba. Gossiping. Mas pinapahalagahan nito kung ano yung sasabihin ng iba. Okay? Tingnan pa natin. Destiny. I'm struggling to find the right path. Someone is lost. Someone someone is lost. Yun ang nakikita ko. Hindi alam kung ano yung direction pa nitong connection na to. Kasi nga, yung isa dito, toxic. It can be, there are so many toxic happening in this connection. Kaya yung isa may anxiety. So, tingnan pa natin. Overwhelmed. The stress from this is draining me. Sabi ko na nga eh, someone has an anxiety. The anxiety card is here. Someone is stressed, okay? Overwhelmed, siguro yung iba, obsessing kakaisip or pwedeng umiinom. It can be, ha? It can be. Kasi si devil card is nandirito. Lahat ng ka-stress na bagay is nandirito kapag lumabas si the devil. Guys, pile number 2, if you don't want this person, close this chapter. Okay? Yun lang ang nakikita ko kasi someone is having a decision to make because si 3 of Wands is nandirito. Okay? If itong person na to or past person na to or kung sino man tong person na to nag-iisip ngayon sa'yo, ngayong holiday season, is toxic and parang wala nang pag-asa tong connection na to, maybe you need to move forward, okay? Kahit habulin ka pa nito. Tingnan natin. Dragonfly. Be lighthearted, finding out, things coming to light, adapt, change, heal. Okay. If this person na iniisip ka ngayong holiday season is a toxic person, yun ang sasabihin ko ha, maybe it's time to heal. It's time to move on. It's time to take a decision, stand your ground. Okay? Huwag kang makipagbalikan kung talagang hindi na maganda yung nangyayari. And anxiety lang and stress ang ibinibigay sa iyo at nade-drain ka lang. Nasa sa yung decision. Move forward. Kung hindi na siya nakakatulong sa buhay mo. Next, hammer. Sabotage, rebuilding, interrogation, repetitive, persistent, working on it. It can be that this person is repetitive na lang yung nangyayari na pattern. Meron ditong sinasaktan, merong niloloko, meron ditong pinagsisinungalingan, tapos away bate, susuyuin ka, tapos gagawa na naman ng kasalanan. Okay? Pag nagkabati kayo ulit, gagawa na naman ng kasalanan, mag-aaway na naman kayo. Alam mo yon, paulit-ulit. Okay? Maybe it's time to have a decision. Pile number 2. Yes. Things coming to light. And maybe siguro, naliliwanagan ka na ngayon. Be adaptable, okay? Don't fear change, okay? Kahit na gaano pa kayo katagal nitong person na to na nag-iisip sa'yo, okay? Kahit gaano pa katagal yung history ninyong dalawa, be open to change. Open your heart to love again, okay? Heal yourself. Dahil there's a lot of fish in the ocean. Hindi lang naman ito. Pile number 2. Okay? So, tingnan natin ang love message oracle card para sa'yo. So, you have 4 cards. Okay? So, first card is keep the door open. Ano yung sinabi ko? Be open. Don't be so focused on a closed door that you don't see the one which open for you. Don't be focused on a closed door that you don't see. The one which open for you. So, i-open mo lang daw yung door or i-open mo lang yung heart mo, open mo lang yung sarili mo. Don't fear change, okay? Guys, ito na yung confirmation. Don't fear change. Keep the door open. Wala na akong masabi ha. Ito na, lumabas yung card. Huwag mong ikulong yung sarili mo sa isang relationship, sa person. Huwag mong isipin ng isipin kung toxic naman. Paulit-ulit na lang yung nangyayari. Away bate, susuyuin ka, tapos gagawa na naman ng kasalanan. You don't deserve this. Okay? Next card. Twin flame. This person is your mirror soul. This is why this connection feels so sacred to you. I know now, pile number 2, why you keep coming back on this person. Because on a twin flame journey, there is a runner and a chaser. Someone is running and someone is chasing. Okay. Lagi niyong tatandaan yan. And maybe this is your twin flame. It can be or a false twin flame. Kaya, kapag ka nasa ganyan kasi, ikaw na connection, ano yun parang hindi mo paano ba to? Hindi mo maintindihan bakit parang merong nagpupul sa heartstring mo. Pabalik dito sa person na to. Okay, kaya kang nagkakaroon ng anxiety kaya ka nagkakaroon ng stress and nade-drain ka kasi nga, ganun talaga ang twin flame journey or a false twin flame journey. Hahatakin ng heartstring mo. Okay? Next card. Reaching your goal. Everything you want from this connection will manifest in the near future, so be careful on your manifestation. If you don't want this person, don't overthink about this person kasi namamanifest mo siya. Okay? Kung ayaw mo na sa person na to, huwag mo na siyang isipin ng isipin, move forward ka na, mag-heal ka na, para hindi mo siya mamanifest pabalik sa buhay mo. Kasi mauulit na naman yun nangyari before. Okay? I hope naiintindihan niyo ako. Last card, unbreakable love. This person has a genuine love for you. You can overcome any issues that may arise. Okay. So some of you, if this person is not your false twin flame and this is your actual twin flame again, this is unbreakable love. Even though, kasi ganun talaga, mahirap kasi guys ang twin flame journey. It's either parehas kayong mag-grow, parehas kayong magbabago, parehas kayong mag-aayos ng problema nyo or issues nyo sa sarili, mag-work yun. Okay? Try nyo mag-search sa other reader or other story about a twin flame connection para at least aware kayo. Okay? Mahirap kasi talaga ang twin flame journey. Okay? Yes, yung iba kasi binayayaan talaga na may ka-twin flame. Okay. So, nasa sa inyo naman yun. Kung ipo-pursue nyo yung connection mo with this person or not. Kasi meron naman free will na tinatawag. Okay, guys? Maybe this person has a genuine love for you. It can be Kaso nga lang, kasi kapag nasa twin flame journey ka, lahat ng trauma mo, lahat ng problema mo sa sarili mo is susulpot kasi yon and kailangan ninyong maayos yon, i-heal ang dapat i-heal, ayusin yung dapat ayusin para mag-work yung connection ninyo. Okay? So, I hope naiintindihan nyo yung ibig kong sabihin dito, guys. Okay? So, pile number 2. This is the person that thinking of you this holiday season. So, ito yung iniisip niya. Okay? O pwedeng, this is the person na may anxiety and you are the one who wants to reconcile with this person. Okay? Or po pwedeng, this person wants to reconcile with you and ikaw yung may anxiety. Guys, please note vice versa po ang reading. It can be, hindi lang pwedeng magkabaliktad na ito yung lalaki, ikaw ang babae. Ikaw ang lalaki, ito yung babae. Kinukuha natin energy, Kasi meron kasi ako nabasa lately na nag-comment na bakit puro babae lang daw yung na-read ko. No, vice versa po ang energy. So, take what's resonate, guys. Okay, so kung nag-resonate sa'yo to, send some love, show some love, leave a comment, like this video. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, guys. Help me reach my first 2K subscriber bago mag-end yung year 2023, guys. So maraming salamat. Kung hindi nag-resonate sa ito po, pwede kang bumalik kay file number 1. Baka may messages kang makuha doon. Okay? So hindi ko napapahabain. Good morning sa inyo. Happy Thursday. And advance Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Okay, so maraming salamat. Have a good day. Bye!